In our previous video, I spoke about prime numbers. If this is your first time watching my video, consider following my page and subscribing to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I upload a new content. Let's talk about squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. The square of a number is the number that you get if you multiply that number by itself. It is written as a superscripted 2 after the number to which it applies. So we write x raised to the power of 2, where x can be any number. Let's say, for example, we have example 1. Let's say x is 5. 5 square is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Square numbers are used in area calculations as well as elsewhere in mathematics. Let's say, suppose you want to paint a wall. Example 2. Want to paint a wall with height 7 meter, width 7 meter. So we do 7 meter times 7 meter, which is equal to 49 meter square. For more information about area, watch my video on calculating area and more. And this is it for the basis of square. Now let's talk about square roots. The square root of a number is the number that is squared to obtain that number. The square root symbol is usually written as this. Now let's say we have an example 3. I want to find the square root of 36. It will be equal to 6. This is because 6 times 6 will give you 36. Let's say we have another example 4. We want to find the square root of 4. This will be equal to 2 because 2 times 2 will give you 4. Now, not all numbers have a square root that is an integer. For example, root 13 will give you 3.60555, and that is it for the basis of square roots. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.